In this world, according to reports, Plato was ancient communist in the world. He strongly believed that everything should be under control of the state. He strongly believed that without communism, there should be a class of ideas and interest between the reason and appetite. So that's why he expected state control system. Plato's communism is based on the premise that private property, family and private interest, they are called as communism. He strongly opinion that private property and family are impediments of rulers, not only for the rulers and kings, that is impediments of common man also to discharge their duties effectively. According to Plato, communism was two forms of communism, that is abolition of private property, abolition of family. Abolition of private property means house, land, money. The soldiers and rulers should not have any property. That is Plato communism. And abolition of family. Rulers and soldiers should not have any family. Then only they can concentrate on the state activities. They can rule the state effectively and efficiently to do justice for the well-being and betterment of the state. That is Plato communism. Communism of property and communism of wives. Communism of wives. So he ignored to enjoy private property to rulers and soldiers. So they must be inherent in the state. So according to Plato, all the citizens should be treated as their children, and all property belonging to the state, they should not have any private interest and private property. So then only they can concentrate on the state affairs and activities and administration activities. That is Plato communism of property. Communism of wives. Ruling class and soldier class should be avoided permanent marriage system. Reason is, once they got married permanently, they cannot fully concentrate on the state activities and affairs. So it must be prohibited for the rulers and soldier classes. So communism of wives, it must be temporary. So temporary basis agreed according to Aristotle, Plato.